What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can find the plate armor of the shadows in Crimson Desert. To get this classy piece of armor that has petrification immunity, 3 points of defense, and a stamina regen boost of 2%, you'll have to travel to the far northwest if you're starting from the town of Hernand. It's located just above the part of the river that aligns with the letter H from the Hernand label. Just mark it on your map. Getting there won't be easy as you'll have to go through rough terrain. You'll know you're there once you spot a camp and some watchtowers. I'm gonna warn you ahead of time that the camp is filled with bandits, so stay away from it unless you enjoy the bloodshed. Now I'm gonna show you the way that doesn't involve getting into trouble. Just stick to where I'm going, towards the cliff's left side of the camp. Now we're gonna do some bit of climbing. Keep going up until you're at the same floor level of the highest watchtower, or at least until you see this lantern. Now what you're gonna do is to simply light this thing up, and the bars blocking the chest should go down. Loot the chest inside, and there you'll get the plate armor of the shadows. Enjoy your new gear, and if this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more Crimson Desert tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.